This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dina Grandi. Welcome to this bright and open home. The sellers have done a complete renovation with high-end finishes, fresh paint, light fixtures and new flooring throughout. The eat-in kitchen has new cabinets, quartz countertops, appliances and more. Take a look at the storage area underneath the stairs. Upstairs you will find the owner's suite with an upscale bathroom and walk-in closet. 2 more bedrooms and remodeled shared bathroom. One of the rooms can be used as a bedroom, loft, or office overlooking the living area. The backyard is spacious and includes a patio. Located minutes from Langley Air Force Base, Fort Monroe, shopping and Hampton Coliseum. For more information, review the details below.